The Special Project Award is given to an activity or program that impactfully addresses specific goals or priorities of the local Main Street organization. The 2023 Special Project Award goes to the Reedsport Main Street's Open House event. I didn't know your Main Street organization did that. Is that a common refrain you hear from your community? Wanting to change that dynamic, the Reedsport Main Street program held an open house to inform the community about their organization's efforts over the past 9 years, as well as things on the horizon. But this wasn't your typical open house. The event consisted of a themed progressive dinner with a different catered dinner course at 4 businesses. Attendees were inspired by presentations on a different topic at each location, from the history of Reedsport Main Street to historic preservation, program accomplishments, and upcoming projects. To add a little fun to the event, participants had a punch card for each stop that they could redeem for a drink at the final stop at a local brewery. They were also eligible for a door prize donation by the participating businesses. Not only did participants walk away with a better understanding of Main Street, but they also had a chance to meet business owners and learn more about what downtown has to offer. And with the increased media coverage generated by the event, it has led to more interest in local events, more business engagement, more volunteers, and a significant increase in their social media reach. The Reedsport Main Street program's open house proves that by thinking outside the box, one project can cause a small ripple effect in the community's drive to enhance their historic downtown.